Hi, this is Larry with ManCave Mayhem. I've been sitting in the man cave today thinking, I haven't made a video in a while. Got a little something in the mail, and I wanted to package it and do a how-to on the install. It's a pretty simple item. I believe this is gonna be the horn guard. It's a little protector or horn protector. So we'll get that started. I'm gonna unpackage it and show you how to install that. These things actually came pretty quick in the mail. I think I got this off of Amazon though, so it might be a little bit more pricey to do it that way, but you know, you can go through WebBike and stuff. But this new 2023 CT 125 is pretty cool. I really like the bike. It's a lot of fun. Even though Mama's making me sell a couple bikes, I kind of need to. I'll show you guys really quick what we got out here in the shop. We just got too many bikes. Too many bikes. We got the old CT. We got both the scooters. We got the Cruiser, the Triumph. This one's probably going soon. And then my adventure bike. And I got another CT over there and another Goldwing. So I got to get rid of some bikes. But anyhow, I couldn't resist. They're kind of hard to find. They're actually getting a little more accessible now. I see them sitting around in dealerships, and I think it's because the way the economy is. But anyhow, I'm going to take advantage of that. We'll get this started. If you haven't yet, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Check us out at Instagram at ManCave_Mayhem. Now let's get this party started. All right, let's get this thing unpackaged. We'll open this up here. Okay, kind of a small little package here. Hopefully it's protected enough to not be all bent up. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, cool. Like I thought, it's a little horn guard beauty cover for the horn. So this is going to be an easy 1-bolt install. Looks like it's made out of stainless, which is kind of cool. I didn't think they made these out of stainless. I was expecting aluminum, so that's kind of a neat touch they put there. So I thought that was cool looking. Let's get it installed. All right, the tools you're going to need for this is really basic. It's going to be a 10mm wrench, or if you feel so inclined, you can do a ratchet with a 10mm socket and an extension. I'm going to go with the ratchet. All it is 1 bolt to undo this horn. And we simply put it back on. Quick tip too, when you're assembling this thing, there's a rubber grommet that you're gonna have to put here. And then there's also a rubber grommet with a spacer that kind of goes behind the horn. So just make sure you get those in right when you're taking it apart and then put it together like that. And it should go together easy that way. Otherwise, you're gonna be finagling with it like I did for the last 10 minutes. An easy job, hard and difficult. Always the ManCave Mayhem way. Another little tip that you might want to take to heart is this thing you have to kind of tweak to center it up too. Once it's bolted down, then you can kind of tweak it and center it up on the horn, but that leaves a little space on the horn. I guess you could call it a horn protector. Anyhow, it worked out really well. Wasn't a hard install. I made it a little more difficult than it needed to be, but anyhow, that's about it for that. Pretty simple install, and it adds a little coolness to the CT 125. There's going to be more videos on this CT 125. I want to add some extras to this bike without taking away from its natural coolness. So I'm not going to heavily mod this bike. I'm just going to actually add some things to it that I think will be beneficial in the future. My little Armageddon bike. If you haven't yet, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Check us out at Instagram at ManCave_Mayhem. And just remember, folks, I'm just a man in a cave causing mayhem. Thanks again for watching.